This week on Talking Pictures TV.
Johnny! For God!
Mrs. Campbell?
JS doesn't stand for Campbell. Must be a clue somewhere staring us right in the face.
Get to the police station. Headquarters, yes.
Well, if it's about me, I feel I have a right to know.
You? Come on, it's going to be all right. Look, there's nothing... The Jigsaw begins to make a picture. What's all that? Please stand back, son.
Inspired by the grisly true story of the Brighton trunk murders.
My God.
Detective Jack Warner must put the clues together and solve the jigsaw.
She was following him. We're even getting a motive.
Today on Talking Pictures TV.